Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to go through February's crate kit from Spellbinders. So where we start, so if I start with the stitching die, so they're the dies that you get, and I've created this little card. So that's that one. Then we move on to the small die of the month. So that's what you get. So you get a wheelbarrow and all the eggs and bits and pieces. So I created this card, and I've used the tree from the stitching die to put my Easter eggs on, and then I've used the large die of the month, but I've used some of the small die just to give his glasses a bit of embellishment. And then that frame was from last month's. And then this one, if you're getting the crate deal, obviously you get the little church. So I've just made a simple little Easter blessing card with the church. And then you get these flowers as well. That's another set. And then I've made this little bunny box, so it folds flat. And then obviously use the flowers in there. That's one of the embossing folders in the back. That's just the normal embossing folder. So that's that set. They're the embossing folders. So again, I've just made this little card. These flowers are from the large die of the month. So that's the 3D embossing folder, so you can see how nice and deep that is. And then obviously the 2D one that I just showed you in the background on that card, that's that one. Okay, and then on to the stencil of the month. So you got your layering stencil. It makes this lovely bunny silhouette, if you like. And then I've just added those flowers again and some of the grass die. So that's the stencil. Your stamps and dies. So you get this lovely little bunny. You can see that. And then all of these sentiments as well, which you see throughout my cards. And then you've got the, obviously, coordinating dies. The BetterPress has got a matching stencil with this one. This is really pretty. So there's your BetterPress plates and dies. You get your registration, and then what you do is you BetterPress the black bit first, and then you go over with the stencils and make this coloured bit at the front. That's the sentiment from that set as well. So that's that one. And then my favourite is the large die of the month. So I thought I would have him peeking at the bottom, so I've only used his head. If you got the last month or the month before, I haven't stopped using this die. I just thought it was a bit of fun, giving her the really massive glasses. So that's that one. And then for this one, what I did, these are coming up. So you get these made with love and that embossing folder. Lovely sets, what are coming up soon. And then I just made it into a little baking bunny. So all I did was cut two of the bases, put them together so that it's like a rounder shape underneath. And then the apron, but made it into that one. So there you go. So that's it. So that's all the cards that we've made with this month. So I'm sure there will be many more because I love this set. That's that and that one, and then you've got your 3D bunny box, your Easter blessings, and your stitching card. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.